Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Nerad and welcome to another video of Style Him Now. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the Bacco Bucci pierced leather Chelsea boot. If you are watching this video, you are probably looking to buy a pair of Chelsea leather boot or planning to buy one. Whichever the case, I hope you find this video helpful to you. After examining and going through the customer review, I decided to buy this boot. I've been owning this boot for over 3 weeks now, and I just kind of want to share what I found out about this boot. In this video, we are going to take a look at the background of the company that make this boot. We're also going to take a look at the style, comfort, price, and feature of the products. The Bacco Bucci is produced by a company called Meslan, and this company has been producing boots in various countries, but majority of their boots are produced in Spain or Italy. This company is specialized in producing luxury leather shoes. The Bacco Bucci pierced leather Chelsea boot was one of their lower priced boots, which is the reason why I decided to buy this boot. This boot features standard width, round toe, slip-on style, side goring, whip stitch detail color, letters construction, grip sole, and about 4.5 inches in shaft height. For those who don't know, the standard width is just pretty much true fit size. It is not wide width or any specials of sizing. And a round toe is just pretty much explaining that the front end of the toes are more rounded. Whip stitch collar is just the stitching that you usually see on the boot. You can check it out right here. Letters construction is just basically telling us that it is made out of letters. This boot has one of the most comfortable soles that I have ever felt on the boots before, so we'll talk more about that later in this video. It also has a 4.5 inches in shaft height. A shaft height is pretty much the highest point of your heels to the highest point of the boot. Pretty much this is going to be the highest point of the heels. What they measure is from the top of the boot all the way down to this point right here, so it's about 4.5 inches in shaft height. When it comes to leather boots, I can tell that the quality is there. Made out of genuine leather. The first thing that I noticed when I opened the shoes box was the smell of leathers. It kind of gave me the feeling of just being inside the store again, trying on the boots for the first time. The spacing consistency of the stitches is there from left to right, from bottom to up. The spacing consistency is there for this boot. After owning and wearing this boot for about 3 weeks, the leather still holds its shape. It does not lose any shapes. This is also another indication that it is high quality boot, because usually lower ends or cheap material boots usually lose its shapes after wearing it for a while. A pro tip: if you want to check the quality of the boot, one of another indication is to smell the inside of the boot. If it smells like glue, then it is made out of cheap material. High quality boots usually smell like genuine leather. Featuring a dark brown color, the Bacco Bucci has this distinct minimal pattern that only features on the back of the boots. And I think that having minimal design best suited for all leather Chelsea boots more, because we want to focus on how elegant the shoes is. And I choose the word elegant because that's how the boots feels to me. The elongated round toe makes the person wearing it looks taller, while the neutral dark brown color guarantees to make any outfit looks instantly better. And I know you're thinking that I'm boasting these boots too much, but if you spend at least a few weeks of looking through the shoes and you can't decide on the boots because of the price, the fits, or the design, you know that it is a tedious process. So to be able to find a boot that is at the right price, the right quality and design and fit, as an actual fit and fashionably fit, yes, I like to boast about it. I've owned my fair share of uncomfortable Chelsea boots before, so to walk in this boot, I instantly feel the differences. It makes me want to wear these boots all the time, as opposed to my previous boot, which I couldn't even wait to replace it. So this boot is great for business casual or professional outfit. What's great about this is that the classiness of this boot would guarantee to make your outfit looks better already. This boot would pair up nicely with a dark brown chinos with a nice iron white button-down shirt, or you can add a blazer should the weather gets a little bit cooler for you. Or you can also wear this boot with a suit and tie if you are going to a formal event. As men's fashion come and go, Chelsea boots come to stay. Since its first origination during the Victorian era, many celebrities, male or female, have incorporated these boots into their wardrobe. Most notably are the Beatles, who were often photographed wearing this boot, which led to the fans coining the term Beatle boots. The reason I want to make this video is to share what I found about this boot and what I liked about it. So if you are looking to make a purchase, I hope that this video would make your purchasing process a lot easier, or at least give you the tips how to check for a genuine leather boot, how to check the quality of the boots, and what to consider when you make a purchase, and what to consider when you are making a purchasing decisions. So if you are in the market to purchase a leather Chelsea boot, I would recommend checking out the Bacco Bucci leather Chelsea boots. It doesn't break the banks. It's a great quality boot that works best with casual or professional outfit, and you know that it's gonna last you for a long time, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.